Let me guess, and you just spent 3 hours staring at your screen trying to think of a viral video idea. And now you're considering starting a cat channel because, hey, cats always go viral, right? You made videos and then nothing. No views, no traction. Just another ghost town channel in the sea of failures. Sound familiar? Let me tell you why. Most so-called experts will tell you to just pick a niche and start uploading. No research, no data, no strategy, just blind hope. And that's why they fail. But today, I'm going to show you how the real game is played. We're talking deep analytics, the kind that successful YouTubers use but never talk about. I'll show you how to spy on any channel, dissect their top-performing videos, find the best viral topics, and uncover the secret sauce behind ranking videos. You'll learn how to track the best-performing keywords, analyze engagement metrics, and only create videos with the highest chance of going viral. You think viral channels like Duck's Quest and Rabbit's Journey are just lucky? Of course not. They don't throw darts in the dark. They study every damn detail before making a video. That's how they rack up hundreds of millions of views. And for those who say, oh, it's just bots, listen, no one can get that many bot views. That's not even possible. YouTube's algorithm is built to detect and remove fake engagement. These channels go viral because they master the system, not cheat it. This is not some BS motivational guide telling you to just be consistent. No, this is the real blueprint, the strategies that actually work. So buckle up. Today, you're learning how to play the YouTube game like a mastermind, I won't lie. Some of this might feel a bit boring at first, but if you stick with me till the end, I guarantee you'll walk away knowing exactly how to create viral shorts on TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube effortlessly. So after doing deep research, I found out that big YouTubers don't just guess their ideas. They use data and trends to predict what will go viral. That's when I found a mind-blowing AI tool that I wanted to share with you guys called Virlo AI. So what Virlo does is actually wild. It doesn't just throw random ideas at you, it literally shows you what's about to blow up. Trends, analytics, the best posting times. It's like having that one friend who always seems to know what's going viral before anyone else. You ever see a video take off and think, man, I should have made that? Yeah, Virlo makes sure you never have that regret again. So, you need to create an account in Verlo using your Gmail. Simple as that. Once you land on the homepage, you'll find a list of high-performing niches that are actually doing amazingly well on YouTube and TikTok. On the sidebar, there's a set of tools for deep analysis of top-performing content. While using Verlo, I honestly felt like a guy who has access to all the cameras in town, seeing exactly what's working and why. Anyway, on the right side, you'll see a list of niches like crypto, chat messaging, stories, finance, history, fitness, educational, and many more under all niches. If you click the heart icon, you can add specific niches to My Niches, creating your own personalized list. For example, if I open chat message stories, Verlo instantly provides a complete analysis of the niche. Many of my viewers ask if this niche still works, and instead of guessing, you can clearly see whether it's still trending or completely dead. This can save you from wasting days or even months on a niche that has no future. Now, if we check the current performance, it shows that this niche is still consistent, and from the insights, we can see that it has a high viral potential, and this is already a green signal of jumping into this niche without wasting any second later on. I will show you how you can increase chances of breaking on every short. So moving on to the engagement status of the fake text niche, Virlo is showing stable engagement stats, which is still a good sign. If we check further, the viewer to like ratio is around 5%, which is at or above average, a strong indicator that this niche is worth considering. However, the comment rate is extremely low, and Virlo actually suggests adding different types of questions or cliffhangers in your videos to boost engagement. Imagine posting your video at the perfect moment, right when your audience is actively looking for content to watch. There's a tab that shows exactly when viewers are most engaged, so you're not just posting blindly. Timing can be the difference between a video that barely gets noticed and one that takes off. On the right side, there's a powerful graph that tracks which days in the past 30 days this niche has exploded with the most views. Think about it. This isn't just random data. It's a direct glimpse into when audiences were actively searching and engaging with this content. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Clicking on the highest bar reveals a list of the best performing videos from that exact date. You can watch them, analyze what made them pop, and even save them for later. And the best part, with your own creative spin, you can craft a similar video at just the right time, giving yourself a serious advantage in going viral. As you scroll down, you'll come across a list of top-performing video ideas, real, proven ideas that are already working. Each one comes with a score, so you instantly know which ones have the highest viral potential. No more guessing. And if you find something interesting, just tap the heart icon to save it. You can even create your own collection. Name it whatever you want. I'll just call mine ProvenTube. That way, all your best ideas are stored in one place so you can easily access them later on. Going back, if you scroll down further, you'll see a list of top-performing videos in that niche. Videos that have already pulled in tens of millions of views. And let's be honest, this saves you from spending hours lost in the endless scroll of TikTok, hoping to stumble upon the next big thing. But here's where it gets even better. On the top right, there's a filter option. You can sort videos by views, likes, comments, or engagement, and even choose whether you want to see only YouTube or TikTok videos. So instead of guessing, you get straight to the good stuff, the kind of content that's already proven to work. That's exactly how those viral dudes keep dropping hit after hit, making it look effortless, while the rest of us are stuck testing ideas that never take off. Instead of shooting in the dark, you get a clear roadmap of what actually works, so you're not wasting time on ideas that go nowhere. The best part? Replicating viral videos increases your chances of going viral, because the algorithm already has positive data on those topics. With Virlo, you can analyze all these niches and pick a solid, trending, or evergreen niche for yourself without the guesswork. In case you're already working in a niche and want to find the best video ideas from your top competitors, the ones that actually have the highest chances of going viral, you can do exactly that. Let's say I want to check out a channel called Rabbit's Journey. By the way, I've already made a full video on how to create content like Rabbit's Journey, so I'll leave the link in the description if you want to watch and learn. Now, coming back, just head over to the Creator Search tab, select YouTube, paste the channel's name, and choose how many videos you want to analyze. Hit Analyze, and in a few seconds, it pulls up everything. Total views, total likes, engagement rate, and most importantly, the virality score. And this virality score, that's the real gold. It's the kind of data most people don't even know exists. If a niche has a high virality score, you already know you can jump in with confidence. Now scroll down a bit, and you'll see an option to generate viral video ideas for that niche. And this isn't guesswork. It's based on what's actually working right now. So if you create a video around one of these topics, your chances of breaking through go way up. Keep going down. And there's a graph that shows which days in the last 30 days had the most engagement and views. For example, if you look closely, you'll see that Wednesday has the highest bar, which means videos posted on Wednesdays get the most traction. So imagine uploading right when the audience is most active. It's like hitting the jackpot. And now this is where things get really interesting. Keywords. You get a full list of top performing and most viewed keywords in this niche. These are the exact words pulling in the most traffic. If you add them to your title, description, and tags, your video has a way higher chance of showing up in front of the right people. And here's the cheat code. Right below that, you'll see recommended keywords that can boost your chances even further, especially when used in your title. Now, if you scroll even further, you'll see a full breakdown of all the videos from that channel. And at the top, there are filters: views, likes, engagement, virality, date, and even hashtags. Now, most people would think the best way to find a viral topic is by sorting with the viral filter, right? But here's the twist. That's actually not the best move. If you're trying to break through, sort by engagement instead. The #1 video with the highest engagement is your best bet. Here's why. For new channels, engagement is everything. Your video might have high retention, a solid swipe ratio, and still not go viral. And the reason? Low engagement. This is something most gurus won't tell you. But trust me, engagement is the cheat code. If people are liking, commenting, and sharing, YouTube sees that as a signal to push your video out to even more people. That's how these viral creators stay winning, while others keep struggling to get traction. Now, coming down to one of the most powerful features, outliers. This is actually one of the most interesting and game-changing tools inside Virlo. Here, you'll find dozens of videos, but these aren't just random clips. If you look at the top note, you'll see it says, "Discover content that defies expectation." Videos that have achieved 100x or more views compared to their creators' follower count. What does that mean? It means these videos didn't just go viral. They exploded, pulling in insane numbers despite the creator's usual reach. So, if a small creator suddenly got millions of views on a single video, it's not luck. Something about that video made it take off. And this feature lets you study exactly what they did right. On the right side, you can filter whether you want to see viral videos from YouTube, TikTok, or both at once. This way, you're not just scrolling through random content. You're only only looking at proven viral hits. And the best part? You can actually watch these videos inside Verlo itself, break them down, and figure out what made them go viral. Maybe it was the hook, the pacing, the editing style, the storytelling, whatever it was. This is your chance to reverse engineer their success and apply it to your own videos. Now, if you take a closer look, you'll notice a number on top of every video. That number shows how many times more views that video got compared to the creator's usual audience. So, if you see a video with a 500x multiplier, that means it performed 500 times better than the creator's normal content. That's the type of video you need to learn from. And here's something even cooler. Below each video, there's a heart icon. Clicking it lets you safe list the video into your personal collection so you can come back and binge watch them anytime, breaking down their viral elements. But now comes the biggest update. Virlo is launching a new feature called the Viral Simulator. This tool is designed to predict how your content might perform before you even post it. And here's the craziest part. Virlo starts at just $9. That's it. No more excuses. If you're serious about growing, you need to stop guessing and start diving deep into analytics. This is how you outrank 90% of creators, not just on YouTube, but on TikTok as well. Oh, and before you go, if you want to seriously level up your editing skills, make sure to watch the video popping up on the screen right now and join my Discord server for extra help and exclusive content.